Problem 10. Regular hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. So let's draw it out. A, B, C, D, E, F. Notice I went counterclockwise. I went clockwise. You could have went this way as well, but it's either way. Just make sure you go clockwise or counterclockwise when you name it. Has side length of 2. Let G be the midpoint of AB. So let's call this roughly G, and H be the midpoint of DE. So this is roughly H. What is the perimeter of GCHF? So let's construct GCHF. The shape must connect G and C. It must also connect C and H. It must also connect H and F, and it must also connect F and G. So just from this rough shape, I can kind of theorize that, okay, maybe this is a quadrilateral with 4 equal side lengths, but that's just a suspicion for now. Let's try to definitively see if that's the case. This is 1, that's 1, that is 2, that is 2. We know that this is 2, that is 1, that is 1, that is 2. Look at all these triangles. They all have the 2 same shape. So maybe we can have a same interior angle, because this is a regular hexagon after all. So all interior angles are equal. We know that the summation of the exterior angles must give 360 degrees. The number of exterior angles is equal to the number of side lengths you have. Since this is a hexagon, we have 6 exterior angles must give 360. So one exterior angle is 60 degrees. Therefore, an interior angle is supplementary, so this must be 120. So is this angle. So is this angle, and so is this one. By side angle side, we have triangle congruency. Therefore, all of this can be equal to x. So let's solve for x. But wait a minute, I have a side length, I have an interior angle. This is a law of cosine. How do I know this? Because the general formula states that a squared is b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine of the interior angle. But I don't know what the a squared is. The a squared is what I'm trying to solve for, the x squared. The other side length is 1 squared plus 2 squared minus 2 times 2, which is equal to 4, times the cosine of the central angle of 120 degrees. Now, cosine of 120, right, can be rewritten as the cosine of 90 plus 30, which becomes sine, which becomes, let's see, 1 plus 4, 4, 5, so becomes the negative of sine 30 degrees, right? And from this formula, this can become 1 plus 4 plus 4 times sine 30, which is 1/2. So that's equal to 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. But since that's equal to x squared, what is x? X must be equal to root 7. Since we have 4 of them, 4x is equal to 4 root 7. Therefore, your final answer choice would be answer choice D.